Hey guys, come on in to the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith channel. We are going to make butter sugar cookies that we're going to cut out. I'm going to make them round because I am taking them to my granddaughter's baby shower and they're wanting to decorate them, have a little decorating station. So,
does that mean you're going to be a great grandma again?
Again? Yes. June. So we're excited. It's a little girl. So we're going to attempt these sugar cookies. You do not have to refrigerate them. I have never done this recipe before. But like I said, we're going to try it and see how it comes out. And you're going to see. And if it's bad, then you'll know too. Don't try that one. So first off, we're going to put in 2 sticks of butter. And as you can see, I'm using this KitchenAid, and I am not very familiar with the big KitchenAid. So there may be problems.
She's only used it a couple times.
Yeah.
But it worked really well.
I've had it for years. My neighbor gave it to me. His mom had passed away, and he said, "Is there anything that you would like?" And I was like, the KitchenAid? I always thought I wanted one. I got one, and I never use it. But we're going to do 1 cup of sugar and 1 cup of butter, okay? So, here we go. Oh, I got to put it up, don't I? See, I already messed up. There we go. Let's bring that together for a minute. All right, guys, this was on higher. I just turned it down lower so you can hear me. So we're going to put in our extracts. And almond extract is 1/2 teaspoon. Let's just turn it. Whoops, I almost got too much. I already put like that much in it before I spilled it. Don't want to overpower it with the almond.
No, because it is overpowering.
And then a teaspoon of vanilla. Because it's clear, I couldn't see it. I was like, ooh, it overran. So vanilla, 1 teaspoon. You know, we just kind of measure that with a heart. And we got a big heart sometimes.
Very big.
And then 1 egg. Okay. Put that in there. Get that stirred up. And then with our flour, I have 3 cups of flour, and we're going to put in 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Mix that all together in there so it gets incorporated real good. And that's it for the ingredients, guys. Now we're going to put this in here, and they said that it could be too thick for the mixer, so we may have to do it with our hands, it said. A little at a time. You guys ever make these sugar cookies, cut out sugar cookies that you don't have to refrigerate? I don't, so we're trying.
I never.
Yeah, you don't. You make the refrigerated ones. The ones out of the packet.
Mm-hmm.
You would do those. But you haven't for a long time.
I don't have to anymore.
I know. I keep you in cookies. Alright, let's stop a minute and see if we can scrape down the sides and beater there.
So you don't have to put any milk or anything in it?
No, you got butter. And they have to hold the shape.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay, that's all of the flour. Let's mix this up again, just a hair. Where's it at? Down here.
Oh, that mixer's got plenty of power.
Yeah, my handheld wouldn't know. That's the reason why I wanted to do this. This is the heavy-duty mixer. Old. I don't know how old it is, but it's pretty old. Okay. Get this off of there. Maybe. You see how well I am with this thing. There we go. I guess I need to use it more often. I've had other people say I need to use it more often.
I try to tell her.
Even you guys are telling me, hey, you need to use that. All right. Whoops. So we're going to clean up here, put some flour on the table, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, I halved the dough. This is part of it here. Rolled it out to about 1/4 inch. And then now we're just going to make our cookies. You make them in whatever shape you want. Supposedly, this keeps its shape when baked. So, we're going to see.
Looks like donuts, or I mean biscuits.
This is a biscuit cutter. So, so we're going to put them on here. See how they do. Well, if they keep their shape, that'll be so easy at Christmas. You don't have to refrigerate the dough and making your Santas or your gingerbread men. All right, so I'm going to go ahead. Well, let me put one more on there just because I can. So 350-degree oven for, I think, 8 to 10 minutes or 6 to 8 minutes. We'll check it and I'll let you know in our oven. See what we got here. All right, put another one right here. And I'll put them in for about 8 minutes and then we'll be back. All right, guys, this is what we have. That's what they look like. They were in my oven at 9 minutes. Now, the next batch I left in for 10, so I'm still cooling them. As you can see, there's probably, you've counted, and there's one already missing. So, I had to try it. But look, these are so soft, and they're cool. I like a soft sugar cookie. I don't like a real hard one. It's a little crisp around the edges a little bit. I can taste the almond extract in there. Could be because I kind of overfilled it a little bit. But it's delicious. I love it. And like I said, I'm leaving them plain because they're going to decorate them there. So she thought that would be a fun idea for everybody to sit around and decorate cookies for the kids, because this is a baby shower that's for everybody. Even Billy's going. He's like, I have never heard of a man going to a baby shower.
Never in my life.
That's the thing anymore. So it's for whole families. So kids are going to be there. Men are going to be there. I'm going to be there. Should be a fun time. We're having it at Pizza Cottage.
Would be fun if you're there.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Pizza Cottage in Circleville, Ohio. So they've got a room, and as long as you spend $100 on food there, you can have the room for free for 3 hours. So we was going to have it outside at a park, but it's a little too cold. I think it's only supposed to be 50 tomorrow. Be a little cold for that. But guys, this is great. Give it a try if you like the soft sugar cookies, and you don't have to refrigerate them. It goes so fast. Put them in the mixer. Everything. Great. I love it. This will be on my Christmas cookie list to make. And we have some more sugar cookies that I've gotten recipes for from you subscribers, family. So maybe I'll start trying some of those too. So guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, please. And help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith Show. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.